Guys, my name is Deepshikha and I welcome you to my channel. So let's get started. Actually, there are a few students who have forgotten the basic rules which they had studied earlier in basic classes, say 4th, 5th, earlier classes actually. So I thought why not make a video on this topic as well, as there might be some students of 7th, 8th or anything who might have also forgotten the basic rules. So first rule is about addition and subtraction. So in this we will firstly see if numbers are with same sign. If the numbers are with same sign, then in result the sign will be the sign given with both the numbers and the process must be addition. For example, here there are two numbers 3 and 5, both with negative sign. Even though the sign is negative, we won't be subtracting it, but the process will be addition. So the resultant will be 8, and since we have seen that the sign will be the given sign, so the sign will be negative. Also, if there are two numbers both with positive sign, as in here 8 plus 7, generally the plus sign, if the number is at start, then the plus sign is not written. So I have shown here as it is always implied, so I have shown in bracket, but this is also not needed actually. So if there are two numbers with both positive sign, then also the resultant will be added, the process will be addition and the symbol will be positive. Here also it is implied here. Okay. Again, if numbers are with different signs, then in that case, in result, the sign will be the same sign which is with greater number and the process must be subtraction. For example, there are two numbers here, -8 and 5. Even though in number line, -8 will be prior to 5 and is smaller than 5. But here we have to just consider the number without their sign 8 and 5 and see which one is greater. So obviously 8 is greater than 5. So in result we will use the sign with 8 which is negative and the process must be subtraction. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and hence the result here is -3. Also, it doesn't matter whether the positive sign one is earlier or the negative sign one is earlier. The only thing matters is which is the greater number. Whichever is the greater number, the result will have its symbol. Similarly, here we are seeing that 10 is greater and it's having positive sign, and 7, that is here is -7, is having negative sign. Then 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. The result will also have the sign of the greater number which is 10 and hence positive. This positive or this positive doesn't need to be written. I have written it just for indication, as we already know the basic rule, another basic rule actually of mathematics, that if there is no symbol written in front of before a number which is single like this or in start, then the positive symbol is already implied there. It has to be assumed. Similarly here -6 is written first and then +9, but then also since 9 is greater than 6, we use the symbol positive and 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. That's all for today. I hope this video was somehow helpful to you, your children or your friends, anyone. Please share it with your friends and family and like my channel if it was even a tad bit helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And please hit the bell icon to get the notifications of all the videos I update in future. That's all.